Hey guys, Saving with Shay, and I am, yes, you saw the title? Yes, your girl is going to Target today. Pretty stoked about it. Listen, I haven't been to Target in like forever. Like, for my day oneers, those of you who was watching me back when I was doing coupon on my fitness channel before I split the channels, y'all know I used to ride so hard with Target, but literally I haven't been very motivated to go to Target. And so I'm super stoked to go today. They do have a personal care spend 25 get a $5 gift card deal, and I'm probably gonna try to split my transaction up to kind of maximize my savings there. We have rebates that are gonna stack with it phenomenally, which is awesome. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Make sure you also smash that like button, support your girl, and then don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on as well. I had no intention, y'all, of even going to Target today. But I got up this morning to pee, and I always find myself on my phone, just swiping. And so I was looking through some of the apps and kind of trying to stack up deals and match up deals with Target because I haven't been there in forever. And I found a good 7 or 8 deals to share with you guys, which should be really, really awesome. I'm hoping this goes good. I only have one coupon that I'm going to use that I know of. Other than that, you guys, let's head over to Target and see what kind of awesome deals we can get today. All right, so I am going to try to put together some deals so that I can benefit from the spend 25 get back a $5 gift card deal. A lot of items are part of this promotion. I'm going to probably try to stick more so with the razors since we have rebate apps that match up perfectly with it. And so let's jump on in. All right, so we're going to start off with the Cremo razor. This is priced at $17.99. We're going to grab one. We'll be getting back $8 on Ibotta. There's also $4 on coupons.com, Alexa, or ShopMe as well. Okay, so we're going to stack that with the Head and Shoulders. The Shea Butter one is on Ibotta for $2.50 back. So we're going to grab 2 of these. Now for coupons, I do have a 3 off of 2 coupon that I got from this past week's inserts. So the total after coupons for all 3 products is going to be $26.97. We'll get back a $5 gift card, $8 on Ibotta. For the Cremo, $5 for the Head and Shoulder, and then we'll get back $4 on ShopMe and Alexa, making that only 97 cents. And then here's just a look at my receipt really quick. This worked out to be pretty good. I probably could have got some deals to get my total a little lower, but I thought this deal worked out to be a pretty great deal. All right, so the next transaction I'm going to do is going to start off with the Sheck razor. It's priced at $9.99, and for this we have a $4 rebate on coupons.com. There's one on Alexa as well as ShopMe. All right, this next deal is on the Dollar Shave Club. Now it's not this one, it has to be the 4-blade. All right, it's priced at $9.99. There is a 20% Target circle you can use, and then we're getting back $5 on Ibotta, $3.50 on coupons.com, Alexa, or ShopMe. So it makes it a small money maker. Of course, we're stacking it in with a spend 25 get back a $5 gift card to make it an even better deal. All right, and so the last thing that we're going to grab with this transaction is going to be on the Hydro Silk refills, priced at $9.99. And for this, we do have a $5 Target circle that you can use. We have $5 rebates on coupons.com, Alexa, or ShopMe, making this a pretty awesome deal as well. And so here is a look at my receipt. After all of my, my Target circles, the total for this came down to $22.97. You got back a $5 gift card, $5 on Ibotta, $12.50 on coupons.com, Alexa, or ShopMe. I did ShopMe and Alexa, and it made this a $12.03 moneymaker. All right, next up is the Armor All deal. These are priced at $4.19. Now for this deal, you want to grab 2 of them. The total is going to be $8.38. We do have a $2 Target circle that you can use. You end up paying $6.38 out of pocket and getting back $5 onto DOS, Swagbucks, My Points, or Inbox, plus 69 cents for each on checkout with the one, making it absolutely free. Now you can also grab 4 of these. Again, you'll be getting back $10 from Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, and then $2.76 on checkout 51. It'll bring it down to only 50 cents each, which is definitely not bad. All right, this next deal is going to be on the Ocean Spray Immunity. It's priced at $3.99. For this, we're going to grab two of them for a total of $7.98. We do have a 15% target circle that will take off $120, bringing that total down to $6.78. And then we'll be getting back $4 from Swagbucks. My points inbox are ta-da. And then 96 cents times 2 on checkout 51, making them only 43 cents each. I'm going to go ahead and just max it out, making them 40 cents each. All right, so this last deal is on the Duracell batteries. It does have to be the 2032. I did scan them in store. They scanned for $6.39, but at the register they did scan for $7.79. And then you're getting back $7.13 on Ibotta, making it only 66 cents. All right, guys, so here is our complete little mini haul for today. Everything worked out pretty good. I did have some hiccups. I am not gonna lie. So for starters, with the Armor All, I didn't realize that I grabbed one that was like 5 something. So I'm debating if I'm gonna take that back or at least exchange it for the cheaper ones, which are the ones that I do use. Because I really wanted them to be 50 cents each. And so, but I don't know, I'm still debating. The other thing was, oh, with this right here, I didn't know that I had a $5 digital for that, right? So I was thinking, okay, it's $10, but a $5 digital, end up paying $5, it'll make it a cost of $5, right? But I already had submitted my receipt to Shopmium and Alexa already. So I was expecting it to get rejected, and I figured I could always either take it back, but I didn't think it would be worth it to take it back, pay 10 total, get back 10 between the apps, or I could just leave it as is and just pay the 5, and it would be a net cost of 5 basically, right? But I ended up getting both rebates on Shopmium and Alexa. Well, Alexa's still is still being processed, but usually if everything works out good on Shopmium, then Alexa's usually the same. So, but even with just Shopmium, it's free as of now, which is cool. I definitely didn't want to have to pay $5 for that though. The other thing was with the Dollar Shave Club. I originally grabbed the wrong one, the one that I pictured in the video. That was the wrong one. That was a 6 blade. But the thing is when I scanned it in the store, it qualified. But when I purchased it, it didn't. So I had to return that one and grab this one here. So originally I grabbed one. I think I paid 8 something out of pocket. Let me see. I paid $8.33 out of pocket right there because it was 20% off, right? When I returned it, I did return it without the receipt though. And so I did get back the full amount, which was 10 and some change. And then I repurchased it with, I think I repurchased it with the batteries because the first store I went to didn't have the batteries. So when I repurchased it, I ended up paying $8. So I technically made $2 in the whole returning it process. So I may not even take that back. I'm just going to keep that because it's not, the universe is, we good. We are good. So I'm not going to take it back. But that was the issue with that. And I was looking at this razor. Isn't it pretty? It kind of reminds me of like, I don't know, like a mermaid. It looks more feminine than anything, honestly. I don't, it's a guy's razor, but it looks so girly. I would totally use that. But that was the only issue. Oh, the other issue with the batteries. In store, when I scanned it, it said like 6 something, 639. But at the register, it scanned for 779. So those are my few little issues for today. Yeah. But other than that, everything else worked out pretty good. Everything you see here retails $100.45. I had $14.40 in coupons, digitals, and I just want to say cartwheels so bad, y'all. And cartwheels. Target, what is it called? Target circles. That don't even sound right. Cartwheels sound better. Target circle. Which brought my out of pocket to $86.05. And then I walk away with $25.13 from Ibotta. Ta-da was $18, and I believe the Ocean Spray is still processing. Shopmium is $16.50, and that one went straight through. Alexa is still processing. That should be $16.50 as well. Checkout 51 was $6.60. That one went through. And then $10 in gift cards, which I rolled that into the Ocean Spray and the Armor All. So I did like 3 transactions. All right, so we walk away with a total of $92.73 total, making everything you see here free plus $6.68. Our tax was $6.21, so even after tax, we still make almost 50 cents, which is definitely not bad. So what I was thinking is doing a giveaway. I have done coupon giveaways in the past. I like the idea of doing IPs because it's quicker. Now this is only going to be for those of you where your stores do take expired coupons, because I believe the IPs expire on Saturday. I know that the insert ones are good till the 1st. And so I'm going to do 4 winners, and you're gonna get 6 coupons. All right, I think that deal is buy 3 get 10, and we're supposed to get a special CRT, and it's supposed to be like free, nothing out of pocket, and get back 10. So it's a $10 money maker. So I'm gonna give out 4 sets of 6. All right, that way you can do the deal twice. All right, well, once per card, right? And so only thing you need to do is, of course, you should be subscribed. Of course, you want to make sure you like this video. In the comments, I just want to see hearts. Just give me some hearts in the comments that enters you. I'm going to announce the winner in my Walmart video on Saturday, you guys. So watch that video. See if you're the winner, so that way I can get the coupons emailed to you ASAP, so that you're ready to go on Sunday morning. All right. Other than that, you guys, this was a nice little, get your feet wet type of Target haul, which was really cool. Again, I'm not sure how consistent I'll be doing Target videos, you guys, not at all. But I thought this was something that was worth sharing. So I'll leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.